Well, my beans are going to take about another hour probably for the beans to be done, so I thought, well, this juice tastes so doggone good right now. Got some of my homemade buttermilk bread. I'm going to dip it in there. Let it soak a little bit. Man, this is delicious. Well, I got my pinto beans recipe going here. I'll make some burritos up. I put 1.5 pounds of pinto beans in there, brought them up to a boil, turned it back down to a simmer now. Got a whole white onion, salsa, use about half of this jar, and just a little over 1 pound of pork belly, and also salt and pepper. Well, here we go. We're gonna make some burritos. My beans came out just the way I like them. They cook down enough that they're not real watery. Got my Mexican cheese here. These tortillas were made this morning. Got a couple of dozen of those. And I'm gonna add some sriracha. And okay, let's get started. Don't overfill them. Not too much sriracha, because that stuff, a little bit goes a long ways. One. Okay, after I get about a dozen of those wrapped up, I'll just put these little already pre-cut aluminum. Okay, first dozen done. Now I'll wrap these in tin foil. It's going up. Yeah, exactly 2 dozen comes out of that in about probably about 1.25 pounds of cheese. I'm just putting in these baggies, date them. As you can see, that's all that was left. Do it right.